In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable captions in Google Meet, a process that will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're hard of hearing, learning a new language, or simply in an environment where you can't have sound on, this feature can be tremendously valuable. Now let's dive in and see just how easy it is to activate captions during your Google Meet sessions. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've made your way to the Google Meet landing page, you'll be greeted with a friendly and straightforward interface designed to get you into your meeting as effortlessly as possible. Next, you'll want to start an immediate meeting to turn on those captions. On the main page, you'll notice an option that says Start an Instant Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. This will instantly take you into a meeting space where you can interact with others or test features in solitude if you so choose. Remember, Google Meet's goal is to make virtual meetings as seamless as their in-person counterparts, and they do a pretty good job of it. As you find yourself in this new meeting environment, directing your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen will be helpful. Here you'll find 3 vertical dots forming a button labelled More Options. Clicking on this will open up a menu filled with additional settings that can enhance your meeting experience. Now from this extended list of options, you are going to hone in on the one marked CC, which stands for Closed Captions. Clicking on the CC button is the final and most crucial step in activating captions. When you click it, you'll instantaneously see subtitles appearing in real time during your meeting. These captions can greatly improve comprehension and participation, especially in an educational or collaborative setting. And there you have it, you've just enabled captions in a Google Meet session. This feature is designed to foster inclusivity and ensure that everyone can fully engage with the conversation. Plus, it can be turned off just as easily if you no longer need it. Simply click that same CC button again. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll now feel comfortable using captions in your future Google Meet sessions. Remember, technology should bring us together and make our lives easier, and features like these are a giant step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.